I mean, we're working with some of the Hollywood studios on this movie, cooperating on the technical expertise. Some of the biggest names in the sound effects recording in mainstream Hollywood, Mr. Rob Knox, is also doing recordings for us in this movie. Most of the Foley work has already been done. We just finished all that work in Los Angeles in one of the, we created a huge Foley pit where we erected swimming pools where we can go underwater and record the movements of shark and other things. We have used that's what happened with best happened with the Oscars is like you call up a company that makes particular microphones and say that it is for this film, that's for me, and they would make things for you. It's quite different from the technical support that you get in India. So the company called H2A who is making microphone for this movie for specific recordings. So we are working with, to be able to associate with people who are generating expertise for you. In all those levels, it's a very enriching movie for me especially.
मुश्किल तो बहुत ही था. We had a lot of difficulty while shooting that क्योंकि पानी के 100 feet नीचे हमें पता नहीं था कि shark will come there and attack us and the rest. So I think it's been the most difficult shoot I've done to date. Not that I've done any movies, but a lot of commercial and the rest. And I'm sure my actors too. उनका भी यही कहना था कि it's one of the most difficult movies they ever shot to date. Film we shot it in Bahamas and in Bangkok.
The film was accepted before Oscars, and when I worked with Rasool on Ghajini, I felt he would be the right person for Clue, so I recommended Rasool to Tony before all the awards. So it was great that Tony found Rasool before the Oscars.
See, basically we have worked with debutant directors and new directors and new talent in the past also. So it all depends upon the concept, the confidence on the director, the style of making, the project, and of course the commercial viability of the film. The same thing happens with Blue also. The only unique point of this film is that it has never been made in the Hindi film industry, of course in India also. And none of the movies have been shot under the water. So it's a complete new genre. So for the best, and we have complete confidence on that.
Shri Ashtavinayak Cinevision Limited, the producers, Blue, Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Kylie Minogue doing a special appearance, of course, Lara Datta, Katrina Kaif, Rahul Dev, and me playing Lara's Bikini.
I think I was lucky कि मैं अक्षय को से मेरी मुलाकात हुई. मैंने उनको स्क्रिप्ट बताया कि सर मैं ये फिल्म बनाना चाहता हूँ. अक्षय ने पूरी कहानी सुनी मुझसे और उन्होंने कहा कि आई श्योर यू विल मेक दिस. मैंने कहा सर बिल्कुल यही बनाऊंगा. इसने कहा ये लिख के देना मुझे, तुम यही फिल्म बनाओगे, उसके बाद मैं हाँ कहूँगा. और फिर जायद, मैंने दत्त साहब से कहा कि मुझे जायद से मिलना है, तो दत्त साहब ने मेरी मुलाकात जायद से करवाई. एंड जायद ऑन सेम विथ लारा एंड कतरीना. लारा लॉट ऑफ स्टंट्स इन द मूवी, फीमेल्स के भी स्टंट्स है. Katrina is playing a guest appearance in the film. She has a small role and she's done a great job. Lara done a lot of stunts with the sharks and the fish all by herself. शूटिंग के दौरान डर एक ही आदमी के भीतर था, वो मैं था. जब मैं गया वहाँ पे मैंने कहा यार मैं क्या बना रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों जा रहा हूँ पानी के भीतर रोज. I don't think any of my actors were scared about that. I was very scared, but I don't think I showed it to them, which is why they probably went in. But if they knew what was in the water and I was scared, I don't think they would ever do the movie. And I'm hoping that this is not all that's in the film. In fact, just 25% of the action and the story. We've just tried to reveal the look of the film. As we call the first look, it is not to anything with the story or the action. There's a lot more coming. I think in my next trailer I'll speak a lot more about the movie than this.